I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix your frozen hot water lines. It's important not to let those frozen water lines sit there for too long, because what happens is they keep freezing, and the more it freezes, that water inside expands and will end up cracking your pipe. The best thing to use to unfreeze those hot water lines is actually a space heater or a salamander heater. Something that you can direct the heat right onto the frozen area of your pipes. What I like about this is you can use it on PEX piping, copper piping, or even CPVC pipe. Using a heater allows you to heat all these different kinds of pipes. It's not something designed for just one pipe like a tape heat where it only works on your copper pipes. Doing it this way, you can heat your entire crawl space or basement with just a little heater. You want to make sure that you don't put your space heater closer than 1 foot to your pipes, because it puts out too much heat and could actually damage your pipes. You want to make sure that you're at least 1 foot away from your pipes. If you know where the cold air is coming in, you can kind of block that up with a little bit of insulation or some cardboard, something to keep that cold air from just gusting into your crawl space or basement. Putting this anywhere in the basement or crawl space will help loosen up all that frozen stuff in your pipes and kick it through. And you want to make sure that you put your water on to a slow drip. That way when it does thaw, it has water constantly moving through it so it won't freeze again. Prevention is the best way to handle frozen pipes. Attacking it before those pipes freeze is the best thing you can possibly do. After they freeze, it's going to be a lot harder to get those things thawed out, and it's going to take some time. You won't have instant hot water. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.